The confidential print job function is ideal for printing confidential documents. Confidential print jobs will be temporarily stored on the MFP's controller and can only be printed when an authorized user inputs a password and releases the job at the system's control panel. Perform the following steps to send and retrieve a private print job. Before selecting confidential print, select any desired print options. Then from the Print and Hold tab, click the checkbox next to Use Print and Hold. Click Confidential Print and type PIN in the box. Then click OK. Click Print. Go to the eStudio's Operators panel to release the confidential print job. Tap Held Jobs. Locate and tap your user name. Tap the confidential folder. Type in the same PIN that was used to send your confidential print job to the eStudio. Then tap OK. Tap the confidential print file. If desired, select any available print options. Then tap Print. The confidential print job will begin printing and will be deleted automatically after it finishes.